So today we will see some OCI Generative AI practice questions. So the question number 1 is, how does the LLM decide on the first token versus subsequent token when generating a response? So the correct option is option C. For the second question, we have given three large language model prompts. So we have to classify each prompt for the three prompting techniques. So the correct option is option B, chain of thought, least to most, and the step back. And the question third is, what does get short prompting refer to when LLM for task specific applications? So the correct option is option A. And the question 4 is, how does the architecture of dedicated AI clusters contribute to minimizing GPU memory overhead for TPU fine-tuned model inference? So the correct option is option B, by sharing base model weights across multiple fine-tuned models on the same group of GPUs. And the question 50 is, which of the following statement is not true? So the correct option is option C. Embeddings are represented as single dimensional numerical values that capture text meaning. And for the sixth question, we have given what happens when you delete a knowledge base in OCI Generative AI agents. So the correct option is option D, and the knowledge base is permanently deleted and the action cannot be undone. Question 7 is, what is the primary function of the temperature parameter in OCI Generative AI chat models? So the correct option is option A, control the randomness of the model's output and affecting its creativity. And question 8 is which feature in OCI Generative AI agent tracks the conversation history, including user prompts and the model responses? So the correct option is option D, session management. And question 9 is, which is a key advantage of using TPU over vanilla fine-tuning in the OCI Generative AI service? So the correct option is option C, faster training time and the lower cost. And the last question is, if a custom model has an accuracy of 0.85, what does this signify? So the correct option is option A, 85% of the model output tokens matched with the tokens in the datasheet. So today we will see some OCI Generative AI practice questions. So the question